My dear principal madam, teachers and my dear friends, because of this pandemic period, we can't go outside to visit ancient places to improve our knowledge. Hope this video will help to gain some knowledge.
Atamasthana or 8 sacred places are a series of locations in Sri Lanka where the Buddha had visited during his 3 visits to the country. The sacred places are known as Jayasri Mahabodhiya, Ruwanwali Mahasaya, Thooparamaya, Lowa Mahapaya, Abhayagiriya, Jethavanarama, Mirisawatiya and Lankaramaya. Jayasri Mahabodhiya. Jayasri Mahabodhiya is sacred tree in Anuradhapura. It is said to be a spalin from the historical Bodhi tree under which Buddha began enlightenment. It was planted in 288 BC and is said to be the southern branch of the Sri Mahabodhiya. Buddha Gaya, India, also the oldest living human planted tree in the world, with a known planting date. The sacred tree brought by the Venerable Sanghamitta, the sister of Venerable Arhat Mahinda, who introduced Buddha teaching into Sri Lanka. Ruwanwali Saya. The Ruwanwali Saya is a stupa in Sri Lanka, considered a marvel for its architectural quality and sacred to many Buddhists all over the world. It was built by King Dutugamunu, who became lord of all Sri Lankan after a war in which the Chola king Elara was defeated. It is also known as Mahathupa, Swarnamali Chaitya and Ratnamali Dagaba. Thooparama is Dagaba in Anuradhapura. It is a Buddhist sacred place of veneration. Thera Mahinda, an envoy sent by King Ashoka himself, introduced Theravada Buddhism. At his request, King Devanampiya built Thooparamaya, in which was enshrined the collarbone of the Buddha. It is considered to be the first Dagaba built in Sri Lanka. Following the introduction of Buddhism, the name Thooparamaya comes from stupa and aramaya, which is residential complex for monks. Lowa Mahapaya. Lowa Mahapaya is a building situated between Ruwanwali Mahasaya and Sri Mahabodhiya in the ancient city of Anuradhapura. It is also known as the Brazen Place because the roof was covered with brazen tiles. It was originally built by King Dutugamunu more than 2000 years ago. There are remains 16 columns all that is left of this huge palace. Archaeological evidence said to have had 9 stories and could accommodate around 1000 monks and attendants. Abhayagiriya Dagaba. The Abhayagiriya Dagaba is situated in Anuradhapura. It was built during the reign of King Vatayagamini Abhaya, commonly known as King Valagamba. 17 such regions unit in Anuradhapura and the largest of its 5 major viharas surrounding the humped Dagaba. Abhayagiriya Vihara was a seat of the northern monastery or Uttara Vihara. Jethavanarama. The Jethavanarama is a stupa located in the ruins of Jethavana Monastery. In the sacred World Heritage city of Anuradhapura, King Mahasen initiated the construction of the stupa following the destruction of Mahavihara. His son Maghavana resumed the construction work of the stupa. The archaeologists believe it may have the origin height over 100 meters, but today is about 70 meters. Mirisawatiya Stupa. The Mirisawati Stupa is situated in the ancient city of Anuradhapura. King Dutugamunu built the Mirisawati Stupa after defeating King Elara. The extent of this land is about 50 acres. Although the King Kashyapa the first and Kashyapa the fifth renovated this, what stands today is the renovation done by the Cultural Triangle Fund. Lankaramaya. Lankaramaya is a stupa built by King Valagamba in the ancient kingdom of Anuradhapura. Nothing is known about the ancient form of the stupa, and later this was renovated. The ruins show that there are rows of stone pillars, and it is no doubt that there has been a house built encircling the stupa called Vatadagaya to cover it. Thanking you all listening my video. Hope you gain some kind of knowledge. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. B. Nisan Sandikar.